What's going on, guys? Go Cardo Go here with Israel. We're getting ready to take a trip to our car club, LEX EXOTICS. They're having an F1 Monaco watch party. We're gonna go there, enjoy the vibes, take him there because he heard there's Ferraris and Lamborghinis and McLarens and all type of stuff there. Well, we don't know what's there today, but we're gonna go and see what's there, and he's gonna enjoy it, right?
Wait, is there more X or S?
I don't know. I guess we'll see, right?
It's probably gonna be more S. This is fast.
We'll see. We'll see what's there, right?
Yes.
All right, stay tuned. Hit the cam. Is it?
Yeah.
How do you feel? You like this car? I told you.
Oh my God! Wow!
My favorite car. His favorite car. His favorite car, Tesla. My favorite car, McLaren 600 LT. You have to have the key or your phone or the app. Got some cool stuff. Yeah. Let's go upstairs and say, hey, come on. Let's go upstairs. Let's see the race.
Hold up. I'm just recording the inside of the car. Okay.
Mustang. Are you recording yourself?
No.
What are you recording me for? When you're recording, you're supposed to record sideways.
Okay.
See, there's no headrest. Look at the gas cap. Gas cap over here.
Is that like the one I can have? Is that the one I can have in Forza?
You can get this one on Forza, yeah. It's on Forza. Get one of these in my garage. What do you think? So I can raise my car up and then put another car under it.
Wait, bro, are you gonna look at a Tesla? I go look over there.
Check me out, going in my dream car, bro. You know the fire shoots out of here, the exhaust shoots out of here.
Hold up.
What's about this? Israel.
Yeah?
What you doing, buddy? Check me out, bro. Oh yeah, I can see myself driving this.
Yeah, but why does it need to be that low?
Because it's aerodynamics. The reason cars are low like this, so they're closer to the ground. Like my car, you know how my car is really low to the ground, and it's loud and fast. It's able to grip the road. That's why the tires are wider. It's able to grip the road, and you're one with the road. I'm sure he loves that one, right? For anything. It's like, but there's so many more out there, man. Yeah, the Ferrari is definitely awesome. Ferrari is my second favorite McLaren, but it used to be the other way around. It used to be Ferrari first. Now, since the McLaren came out, I'm like, okay, I like the McLaren too, but I love Ferrari as well. Have I seen one in person? No. Have you? Yeah, Triple F.
My dad loves coffee.
Yeah.
And they're catering.
Yeah.
So this summer.
Awesome. Have you heard of the main thing with these, and a lot of people who grab G-Wagons and
It's McLaren time. It's a Tesla. It's a Tesla time. It's McLaren time. It's McLaren time. Hey, let's see what you do now. I got subscribed. He's going now. Yes. Scary. Yes. Let's check out the interior. Yes. Oh, the McLaren has a good interior right now, bro. Look at this other McLaren. No McLaren. Now it's time for the Tesla. Ooh. McLaren time. It's the Tesla time. Hey. McLaren time. Hey. Subscribe now.
I'm showing what he's doing because she's asking what he's doing. I'm gonna show her what these guys are doing. You getting ready to drive this one? Huh?
I want to.
You want to drive this one?
Yes.
I don't know, man. Where are the keys?
No, I don't.
Oh, they're in there. They're in there.
They are?
Yeah.
Wait.
They're in the center console. saw your dream car? My dream car and your dream car is over there? Come on. Watch your fingers. Come on, show me. Huh? That's my favorite too. I love it. What are you doing? You're looking at the lights? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you guys turned it on? Sheesh. Huh? I don't think it's open right now. But you sat in it last time, right? Yeah. Yeah? You like it? Do you have his phone? Oh. Try to open it, see? Ah, it's open. Oh, yeah. You like it in here? Yes. Do you want to leave?
Yeah, but I'm not driving this one. I want to drive that Mercedes over
You
there.
want to drive the Mercedes? No, you can't turn it.